Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing land ownership for wealthy foreigners. I got to thinking about this when reading an article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article is titled, "Thailand Continues to Hunt for the Super Rich Bleisure Traveler." That's the combination of business and leisure, so bleisure. I keep thinking, when I read this, bleisure, I keep thinking of that scene in Dodgeball where, just sort of off topic, but I kind of thought of it off the top of my head, that film Dodgeball where Ben Stiller is walking along, he's got his dodgeball team and he's introducing them and he says, blade, laser, blazer, and I was thinking of the bleisure, I just thought it was funny, maybe that's just me. In any event, we're talking about land ownership in the context, and the article again titled, "Thailand Continues to Hunt for the Super Rich Bleisure Traveler." And first of all, I would urge those who are watching this video, go check out this article. A lot of insight in there, good information. But the point of this video, and the reason I made it, was because of this small excerpt. Critics say that the Thai government has many schemes on offer or in the pipeline to lure wealthy foreigners, but none of them offer full residency or unrestricted ownership of freehold land. Both of these maybes are currently under consideration in government committees. And the article goes on to sort of imply it might be a good idea, or maybe the question should arise, should wealthy foreign nationals be able to gain freehold land ownership in Thailand? Look, going back into April of 2021, we read an article which cited a government spokesperson who said there's not going to be any freehold land ownership. And we've also seen where condo ownership, a change in the quota system, is presently not on the cards. So what exactly are we looking at out there? There's a lot of maybes, but I think, again, if the recent news that work permits may be eligible, or folks with a certain kind of elite visa may be eligible for a work permit, provided they invest $1 million into Thailand, is anything to go by. I think land ownership in Thailand, you're going to have a high financial threshold if we even get there. I don't think it's a foregone conclusion. Now, should Thailand allow this? I think it's a pretty tough call, and I do understand the paradigm, the policy thinking on restriction of land ownership to foreign nationals. I mean, Thailand's not the biggest country in the world. It's got issues with, it would cause the property market to become possibly warped, where Thai nationals would be unable to invest in the property market in their own country because outside, quote unquote, hot money would come in and force up the prices of certain types of land and things. It can cause real problems. I understand the concern. So should it happen? I think maybe more discussion is in order. It's probably going to be the context, the type of land. We've seen discussion about possibly move-on ownership, which is like ownership of a house inside of a subdivision here in Thailand. Possible, but again, a spokesman came out and roundly rejected that notion. So exactly what happens remains to be seen. What should happen, I think probably requires further discussion.